Yo, what's up my sick bots? In today's video, I will be showing you guys the brand new updates inside of Animal Company. But I got a brand new account, and this account is a kid account. So, yeah, I basically lost everything I had. So, I have 1 research point left. I just spent it just to get goop. I don't know why. But, oh boy, I could buy this. But I'll save up of research points, and if anybody wants to help me out inside of the Animal Company, then add me in Meta. So yeah, this is my username in Meta, and yeah, we're just gonna check out this brand new update. So, I only have 1 crowbar. I hope I don't die with it. Yeah, I just hope I don't die with it. And Christmas update of Animal Company is my favorite update because this is when I first started playing. Once we crack this, I will be running away, trying to grab an item and then running away. Oh yeah, is this? No. Okay, so I'm gonna try getting the pineapple soon, if the pineapple is even still in the game. So let me fly up. I mean, not fly, but swim up. There's no one in this cove, right? Oh wait, what? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Okay, I'm gonna try to grab one of those items. I'm gonna be fast. Trying to grab one of these items. Even though there's like a billion monsters in there. Like a billion monsters over there. Oh shit, the monsters are loaded. Armstrong got new animations. This chicken. Yeah, the chicken, this chicken. Armstrong. Can I kill you with this? Maybe I can. Oh! Scare me. Okay, so I cannot get any of the items over there, but there is a bundle item over there, so I'm gonna try to get that. Okay, Karen is over there. Okay, a new box to spawn. I hope the items don't despawn. Run. Whoa! Okay, so I can't get any of these items. So, looks like I'll have to try next time with another person, distracting all the monsters or killing the monsters, because I don't have any weapons. But that is okay. Did they update Creative Studios? I think they did because it's all snowy in there. Yeah, they updated Creative Studios with the snow. Perfect color. Oh. Well, yeah. So if anyone wants to help me out, then make sure to comment down your username. I'll add you. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I don't think you guys did, but like, whatever. Make sure to like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Yeah, bye bye.